We are investing wrong, especially in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is scam. Cryptocurrency projects, cryptocurrency coins, all of that is scam. Previous year, 2023, how many scams was happened in crypto world? Many of them. So what I want to tell you, already these crypto projects exist so long time and we still continue lose money. Can you say me how many really useful projects was created in crypto world? How many useful crypto projects was created? I think Bitcoin, what is it? Ethereum, what is it? Litecoin? I don't know about Litecoin because I don't know what people usually buy now. Before it was, I remember it was Dash, I remember it was Ripple, but every time I hear about three: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. But every day they create many new different cryptocurrency, many new crypto projects, and people still put money there. They lose money there. They just give them money. They already know that they will lose it, but they continue to do it. Nothing changed. Why? I think it's about greedy and stupidity. Stupidity not like something bad. Stupidity it's like every of us don't understand some area and they try to understand it. It's normal. And what happened with cryptocurrency? Can you tell honestly to me? Can you read smart contracts? Did you read every sentence in white papers of projects which you bought? Or you have some percent of you buy some coins there? I think about 90% you just didn't try. You just read it somewhere, or your friends tell you, or you subscribe it on some specific channels. It may be Telegram, YouTube, anywhere. Especially maybe you listen some crypto traders or another traders, which I think just lie you. They just lie or just they don't understand, they lie. I will explain you sometimes in next video about it. Yeah, we're trying to invest in things which we don't understand. Do you think is it good strategy? I think no. But we continue. And how many times already it's continue? Just we'll wait next pump of Bitcoin or something like that. Especially about pump. I mean just I was talking about price which will go up. You will see again many people will try to buy it, many crypto projects will be created. Will it happen soon? I don't know. But I can be sure many people will lose money when it will happen again. Okay, and now I want to tell you another thing. What will be, just imagine, what will be with you if you don't know about cryptocurrency and about crypto projects, how much money you will keep, how much time you will keep, which new skills you will learn, especially how much stress you will feel if you will not know about cryptocurrency, if you will not check your crypto wallet every day, if you will not check how prices grow or fall. Can you say me, please, do you have some widget on your laptop or smartphone which show you the current rate of some cryptocurrencies which you have? Maybe you just like this feeling to see, oh, it's good, or you just waited, oh, it's very bad. I'm in depression right now. Maybe it's just gambling for you. Just think what will be with you without it. Maybe you will have time for create your own business or your own projects. Maybe you will improve your skills, which will help you to earn money right now. Maybe you can improve your competencies. Yeah, just think about it. Maybe it will help you. Just count how much money you lose and how much money you get. Maybe if you will see this negative number, you will understand that it's not your. Maybe there exists something better for what you can spend your time. What do I want to offer you? Just stop for 1 month, for 2, for 6 months, for 1 year, and see what will happen. Don't think about cryptocurrency world. I think it's your soul, like gambling. Just try. Maybe it will help you. Try to find new hobbies. Try to improve your skills. Start your own project or business. Improve yourself. Don't think about money so much, because the money is just a result of your doing. I stop. I already lose not so much money, but I lose it. And I start think about which cryptocurrency project is really useful for people. But really, maybe I'm romantic, but I still wait that the time when I will meet real good, useful cryptocurrency project will happen, but only after I will read it, wallpaper, I will see the code, okay, I will believe it. But how many people already lied us about cryptocurrency projects? Many of them. So just try to stop. Just think what you can do in your time. Hobbies, as I said, projects, business, everything else. Don't think that crypto world will bring you something. Okay, just say me, how much time you spend for investing? I think too much. You just lose your time. Just think that you will die tomorrow. What you will say your children's? Maybe you don't have children's. It's okay if you just don't want, but maybe you thought about it, but you forgot. Because cryptocurrency. What about your parents, relatives, girlfriend, boyfriend? It's holder. I will input my password. I have crypto wallet without money on that. Why? Because I don't trust them. So for use it, you need to download some application and you need to use it for generate your. Okay, generate your password you will be through this thing. But if you will forget it, yeah, I lose it. I lose it one time today when I tried to find it. I understand. Oh, I cannot find it. Where it is? I thought I already lose it somewhere, but no, I found it. But anyway, you can still lose it. Why am I talking about this? This thing, not 100% you will keep your money, because you can lose it. Not your bank account. You cannot lose your bank account. Second thing. I'm crypto anarchist anyway, but I think I can trust banks more than this. I don't want to say something special about IMK. I really like it. I just talking generally about wallets, crypto wallets. So you download application. What will happen if tomorrow they stop supporting this application? You will lose all your money. You cannot use it. But maybe, you know, few words, secret password. I think I have two versions how it's. You just create password. They send it somewhere in their servers. They have their own algorithm to create one multi-wallet for many different currencies. Or maybe I'm not right. Yeah, maybe there exists one standard algorithm to create passwords. Because I cannot be sure that this application really use some standard algorithm. I didn't saw it. I tried to find it, but I wasn't successful to find it. So I really want to know how they do it. Maybe if you can use same words to create crypto wallet in other applications or other services, and you will get access to your old wallet, it will be okay. I don't believe it's like that. We will try sometime, or you can write me in comments, and I will very appreciate it if you will do it, because I really want to find this information. But I think I was right about that they have their own algorithm. So yes, I just can. If I cannot trust holders, what I can trust in this world? Only in stable coins. Bitcoin, which price was 20,000 and was about 100,000. I don't want to play this game. It's too volatile. Why I tell you about it? I just very boring when I hear and see how people speak about crypto trading, crypto projects, how they believe it, how they discuss about it. I'm a software developer. I know how it works. So what we will do? We will create our own crypto wallet. Not crypto wallet. We will create our own billing system. What possible that I will create? First, it's billing system. Very useful for Telegram transactions, for website transactions, everywhere. I just want to create something really useful. Also, I'm thinking about some games, really games, good games, where you can trust. If I will write it, you will see, you can read it. Most of the cryptocurrency projects or smart contracts not so easy to read, especially they have some different standards. And if you don't know, especially I am not the best in this. I just about NFT. We will not create it, but we will talk about NFT, why it's working, how the price of NFT is formed. Maybe we will create just for test, and you will see. And yeah, maybe I will share it somewhere and will explain you how it's work. But not forget money. Of course, I don't need it. I cannot be something who told you about stop investing in crypto, and same time I will say, oh, buy this. No. Just for example, And I have many different ideas about how to do it, but I didn't have enough motivation before. But now I think I want to do it. We'll see. It was DigitalScyther, your guide to the crypto world. Bye bye. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you found the video helpful, share it with your friends. And if you want to support my channel, you can make a donation. Crypto wallet addresses are listed in the video description.